Hello and welcome to the Kitabhshla Finance Edition, a series geared towards financially aware individuals wishing to expand their financial knowledge portfolio. If navigating the complexity of finance seems difficult, you have come to the perfect place. Today, I will break down 7 key lessons from the book The Millionaire Fastlane in under 7 minutes. MJ DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fastlane, is interesting and thought-provoking. DeMarco prepares the readers in the introduction for a paradigmatic shift investigation of wealth creation and financial freedom. He exposes readers to a paradoxical method of success and wealth creation, challenging conventional thinking and social standards. DeMarco begins by discussing his own journey from financial difficulty to eventual success, emphasizing turning points and insights that caused him to doubt the conventional slow lane approach of working hard, saving money and investing it for future. He presents the idea of sidewalk as a depiction of monetary irresponsibility and the slow lane as a symbol of conventional gradual building of wealth. The author urges readers to question the established quo, rethink how money is created, and be receptive to novel concepts and approaches that can hasten their path to financial independence. It establishes the tone for a book that questions conventional wisdom and motivates readers to take charge of their financial future. Here are 7 galvanizing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1: Wealth Equation. Asset value plus net income equals wealth. This method emphasizes the significance of raising both your income and value of your assets in order to quickly accumulate wealth. The money you actively make or produce through multiple income streams is known as net income. It highlights the value of not merely making money but also maximizing it through business ventures, investments, and wise financial choices. The element emphasizes how important it is to maximize your earning potential and carefully manage your funds. Second, asset value represents the gradual build-up of valuable assets. These assets can be companies, properties, stocks, or any other investments with rising value. This aspect of the equation emphasizes how important it is to create a strong portfolio of assets that increases and add to overall wealth. Lesson number 2: Reject the slow lane. According to the author, following the conventional route frequently results in mediocrity and a sense of financial freedom that is delayed. He contends that the slow lane strategy is fundamentally faulty because it depends heavily on variables that are mostly out of a person's control, like market swings and the hazy promises of comfortable retirement decades in the future. Furthermore, it frequently compels people to put off their goals and aspirations until later in life, forfeiting their youth and energy in the process. The author is a promoter of the fast lane strategy, which places an emphasis on innovation, entrepreneurship, and the pursuit of current financial freedom. He supports taking charge of one's financial future by starting enterprises, earning passive income, and actively looking for ways to accelerate riches. Lesson number 3: Entrepreneurial mindset. This mindset encourages readers to view opportunities and challenges through a different lens, one that champions creativity, innovation, and proactive problem solving. By adopting an entrepreneurial mindset, individuals are encountered to take control of their financial destinies. This involves recognizing that they have the power to create their own businesses, income streams, and assets rather than relying solely on traditional employment. It instills a sense of autonomy and self-reliance in financial matters. Furthermore, an entrepreneurial mindset fosters a willingness to embrace calculated risk and learn from failures, as these are often integral parts of entrepreneurial journey. It also encourages continuous learning and adaptability in an ever-evolving economic landscape. Ultimately, this mindset empowers individuals to explore and capitalize on opportunities that can lead to financial independence and a life designed on their own terms. Lesson number 4: income acceleration. People are urged to take charge of their financial futures by developing an entrepreneurial mindset. This entails realizing that individuals have the ability to start their own companies, sources of income, and assets as opposed to relying primarily on conventional employment. It fosters a sense of independence and financial self-reliance. In addition, having an entrepreneurial mindset encourages taking measured chances and learning from mistakes, which are frequently essential components of the entrepreneurial journey. In an economic environment that is constantly changing, it also promotes ongoing learning and adaptability. The ability to investigate and seize chances that can result in financial independence and a life lived according to one's own terms is ultimately provided by this attitude. Lesson number 5: wealth freedom. He urges that true prosperity involves more than just amassing enormous sums of money. It also entails leveraging that riches to obtain freedom and control over one's life. The book emphasizes the notion that having financial independence frees people to live their life as they choose, pursuing their interests, passions, and aspirations without being constrained by material concerns. The message of the author highlights the necessity of eschewing the constraints of a 9-to-5 job or a conventional retirement plan that pushes life's prime years into later phases. Instead, he exhorts readers to speed up their path to financial freedom by implementing non-traditional wealth building techniques. By reaching financial independence earlier in life, people can lead more satisfying, purpose-driven lives and devote their time and money to the things that are most important to them, such as traveling, giving back to the community, or pursuing their passion. The author argues that having money is essentially a tool to the ultimate goal of enjoying life on your own terms. Lesson number 6: time and mobility. The author emphasizes the importance of creating a life that is in line with one's fundamental values and goals, rather than simply amassing wealth for its own sake. Since time is one of the most valuable resources, acquiring riches should ideally provide people the luxury of setting their own priorities and schedules. Mobility is a concept that emphasizes having the freedom to move around, discover new things, and partake in enriching activities. Individuals can escape the confines of a conventional boring routine by taking advantage of their mobility, both in terms of physical freedom and personal freedom, and spending their time doing things that make them happy, fulfilled, and a sense of purpose. The author's message essentially emphasizes that the wealth is about living life that represents one's ideals and objectives by taking use of priceless gift of time and freedom. Lesson number 7: wealth traps. These pitfalls, according to him, are overindulgent consumption, lifestyle inflation, and constant surge of status symbols. The author contends that excessive consumerism encourages people to spend more than they can afford, frequently building up debt and making it more difficult for them to successfully save and invest. Contrarily, lifestyle inflation involves raising costs in proportion to income growth, which leaves little room for saving and asset accumulation. The pursuit of status symbols such as expensive cars or fashionable apparels can be an endless or expensive activity. These wealth traps take resources away from the path of financial independence and keep people stuck in a cycle of working to support unsustainable lifestyles. The author urges readers to be on the lookout of these traps and promote a more responsible method of saving and spending that puts long-term financial security ahead of monetary indulgences. People can hasten their path to financial freedom and create enduring wealth by avoiding these pitfalls. In conclusion, this book by MJ author gives a novel viewpoint on accumulating riches, According to the author, following conventional financial advice like working a 9 to 5 job or saving for retirement frequently results in a tedious and unsatisfying path to wealth. Instead, he promotes the Fastlane strategy, which entails developing systems, scaling a business, and concentrating on offering enormous value to others. The author highlights the need of using time and resources effectively to fast reach financial freedom. He issues a caution against sidewalk and slow lane mindsets, which keep people mired in mediocrity and reliant on money. The book encourages readers to prioritize entrepreneurship, take charge of their financial future, and adopt the mindset of wealth acceleration. It is an appeal to defy received wisdom, to follow a route to financial success that is consistent with one's genuine desire and aims. Think of this book as your financial treasure chest. But here's the catch. It's not about stuffing your head with information and figures. All about gaining access to that wisdom and incorporating it into your life. Books are more than simply information. They are also potent catalysts for transformation. Now it's time to put these ideas into action and build the way to financial success. Thank you and see you in the next video.